the human computer interaction recognizing plays a major role. So gaze detection and eye tracking is capable that allow the device to detect when a user is looking at the device. So eye tracking technology is one of the one calculates the eye gaze point of a user for detecting the head pose or eyeball pose. So coming to the eye tracking technology calculates the eye gaze point of a user. There are mainly two principal types. One is a screen-based eye tracker, another one is the eye-based glasses. So the screen-based eye trackers will have the camera over the screen so that it will catch the image where how the online learners watching the particular material. Eye tracking glasses is have to be wearable by the learners. So through that, it will be tracked. Eye tracking in many research field is available, mainly in psychology, healthcare, and neuromarketing. Coming to the gaze detection or gaze perception, it is a system which is sensitive to whether someone is looking directly at a particular object and at a particular point. So this gaze detection will tell how the particular person is watching. Making direct eye contact is the most frequent and perhaps the most powerful exchange of non-verbal signal. The combined identification using both facial expression and eye movement might be more effective. Eye gaze detection, where human eye gaze detection has 10 distinct brain regions involved for the human side. The visual cortex is the main contributor. There are some register threads are also available, which is a center fixation point. So coming to the gaze point detection, there will be a camera, that is a eye tracker will be there, and whenever the user sees the screen, the gaze point will be fixed by the illuminator and the camera through the image processing. Based on those details provided by the image processing algorithm, the eye position and the gaze point are calculated. Gaze estimation for natural eye images only is a challenging task, even though it is available only for the 2D images. Now they are more concentrating on the 3D images. It is achieved high accurate gaze estimates is an ill-posed problem. Coming to the 3D gaze estimation, there are gaze feature extraction, system calibration, and 3D gaze estimation. Coming to the gaze feature extraction, it will extract the features of the iris center location, eye corner location. It will be combined with the system calibration parameters and subject specific parameters for the 3D gaze estimation. The main objective of the research is to estimate the mode gaze efficiency. By adapting the methods from machine learning algorithms and image processing algorithms, the gaze detection and gaze estimation will be accurately measured. To identify the limitation in implementation of methods in detecting and estimating gaze features. Into the survey, I reviewed is multi-view multitask gaze estimation with a deep convolution neural network, where it used the phase detection algorithm, SGD optimization algorithm, with dataset multi-view gaze dataset, UT multi-view dataset, Changi Tech gaze dataset. Next, combining the low and mid-level gaze features for the desktop activity recognition. For mainly the gaze features categorized as low level, mid level, and high level. For this desktop activity recognition, in this paper they use the low and mid level gaze features with 24 participants with 8 desktop activities added with 26 existing low level gaze features increases the 4% of accuracy. They have proved with the 4% of accuracy for the gaze features with low and high mid level gaze. A differential approach for gaze estimation with calibration. It is a novel image differential is used for gaze estimation. Three different public data sets are used for the gaze estimation. Next one is a robust method for calibration of eye tracking data recorded during nystagmus. A new calibration method is proposed to develop the video-based eye trackers using the 9-point calibration and a geometrical setup in the for the desktop mode. Next one, mixed effect neural networks with application to gaze estimation. Here, expectation maximization algorithm is used, and the dataset used as IDEA dataset, multiview dataset, MP2 gaze dataset. Towards precise gaze estimation for mobile head-mounted gaze tracking system, perspective endpoint (PNP) algorithm is used, and the datasets are pseudo inputs. Coming to the last paper, time and space efficient eye tracker calibration. Time and space efficient eye tracker dataset is used. So having all those datasets as a reference paper, these are the reference paper used to use for the literature survey to find out the multimodal online development for the using the ideas. Thank you.